everybody. This is Deb from DnDArtGallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a 12 by 12 gallery wrap canvas that I've prepared on the back as normal, and I put down a thin layer of white on my edges, my corners, and my sides. And I'm just going to do a basic flip, well, a pour, a flip. I guess I'm just gonna, a dirty pour, I guess I'd call it. Yeah, dirty pour. And here in Michigan, it's starting to be fall, which is my favorite season. And I tried to pick out all of the fall colors that we see in Michigan when our trees start to turn. So this is my theme for today is fall in Michigan. And today I am using the Unicorn Spit paints. And I don't know if you're familiar with Unicorn Spit, but they are they're highly pigmented paint. They are thin, and I'll go over my colors here. First I have the Lemon Kiss Yellow Unicorn Spit. Next I have the Phoenix Fire, which is their orange. Next I have their Molly Red Pepper. Next I have Squirrel Light Brown. Next I have Rustic Reality Dark Brown. And the next I have Dragon Belly Green, but I did mix it with a little bit of the Artist Loft Flow White to give us this little bit lighter green color. And here's the consistency. See, it is a very thin paint, and I'll go over my pouring medium here in a minute. And then the next color is just the Dragon Belly Green plain. My last color is Golden Gosling, which is a very, very glittery paint. And my pouring medium today, I did mix it up. I used Molly from Molly's Artistry, and I'll give a shout out to her. Her pouring medium recipe is 1 part floetrol, 1 part glue, half a part gloss medium and varnish, and a 1/4 part GAC 800, which I did have all mixed up. And I pretty much mixed it 50% paint to 50% pouring medium. No silicone is used today. So, like I said, this paint is beautiful, very highly pigmented, as you can see. Just beautiful. So let's get started. Like I said, I'm just going to fill my cup, and I think I'm just going to pour it on the canvas today. I'm going to start with the dark brown. Probably get 2 layers of each color. And let's go with the light brown. And we'll go with the dark green. Like I said, fall, the leaves just turn beautiful, beautiful colors here. The light green. Fall reminds me of football and smell of leaves. Just my favorite time of year. It's cool in the morning and cool at night. Beautiful, sunny during the day. Go with the orange. And go with the yellow. Let's go with the dark brown here before I add the gold. And I am hoping that this gold does show through. Give it a little spark. Let's go with the lighter brown, the light green, the dark green, let's go with the orange, and let's go with the gold next. And the red. And the yellow. The dark green. So we can use this up now. My dog's making noises under the table here. Let's go with the dark brown. And let's try the orange. These colors are just so pretty. I hope nothing gets muddied. Guess that's always a chance, but that's why I think I'll just pour the paint on. And let's go with the yellow. And let's go with this brown. Just trying to see what I have left here. And we'll go with the light green. And we'll go with the gold. And I think I just have the red left. We'll end with the red. Okay. Move my paints out of the way here. Just going to pour it on. know if you can see inside the cup or not. Looks so pretty. Okay. Just move the paint around a little bit here. At this point, it definitely does look like fall on this painting. I always get a little bit nervous using brown in my paintings though, so that's why I'm hoping it doesn't get muddy. But so far, so good. Do this corner next. I'm not trying to run off a lot of my paints here either, because this is a thin paint and I really didn't mix up too much extra, I don't think. Looks like there's something in there. There we go. And now we'll get this corner. In this corner. Okay. I'm checking my corners here, my sides. Make sure everything's covered. I'm going to try and move that back into the middle a little bit. Okay. And now I'm going to torch it. You guys see something right here and there. Okay. Clean off the bottom. every color is represented here. I think I would have liked to have had a little bit more of that, the yellow and the red come through. I think of all the colors, the red disappeared the most, but I am glad I have this light area right here where the orange, the yellow, and a little bit of that red is really pretty. It almost looks like fire right there. And then up in this corner, I have the stripes with the lighter colors. The brown is quite dominant here, but at least it is in the center. And I will get you down for a close-up. Okay, this is the upper left-hand corner. And it's very, very bright and pretty right in there. Very nice right there too. Colors are all pretty well defined right there. Right here is where I was talking about. This is the lower right corner where you can see that almost looks like fire, that red right there. And the lighter colors in there are really pretty. It's very pretty up in here too, right in this area. A little bit of that gold did come through. Right in there you can see, hopefully you can see the shyness of that gold coming through, right in that area. Very pretty. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up or like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. It's very important for the algorithm, so YouTube knows where to place my channel. And ring the bell so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. I hope you enjoyed this fall picture. Bye.